My name is Aiko Major, and I am a junior at Okemos High School. And one fun fact about me is that my favorite color is yellow. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple beaded bracelet just like this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find some clear elastic and get a piece that's a little bit longer than your wrist. So you can try to put it around your wrist and get it, and get one that's just a little bit longer, so like this big, so that you can put your hand nicely through it. And then you're just going to want to cut it. So now you're going to want to tape it to a table or any flat surface that you have. So now you're going to want to put down the beads, and depending on the size of the hole, it might be frustrating, but with more time and practice, it will get easier. So just keep at it. So something I like to do is put down a sequence of multicolored beads, and then I put down letters, and then I repeat the same sequence on the other side. And I am just about done here. So now you have to be careful. Put your finger down when you take off the tape so that the beads don't come off, and you have to be really careful picking it up. So now you're just going to tie a few simple knots like this. And if it is too complicated, you can ask a parent or a sibling to help you. So remember, there are amazing books in your school library, and remember to keep reading and learning.